A warm welcome to all of you in Cuisine Capture. I hope you are doing well and a very happy Diwali to you and your family. So in this Diwali, kuch meeta ho jaye, and we are going to share perfect Gajar Ka Halwa means carrot halwa recipe with you. And as usual, I will share some tips and tricks throughout the recipe. So please stay tuned and watch till end. I hope this Gajar Ka Halwa will melt in your mouth. So in this Diwali, do try out this recipe and let us know your feedback in our comment section. And also do like, share and subscribe Cuisine Capture.
The quantity of dry fruits in Gajar Ka Halwa completely depends on your choice, so use it accordingly. Here, I prefer to use ghee roasted dry fruits because it will make it more richer and flavorful. After 5 minutes of cooking, add sugar, and this is a very important stage because when the sugar will release its water, at the same time the carrot will also release its juices, and we have to reduce that to intensify carrot's flavor. Look at that. After adding sugar, the carrot has started to become moist. So this is the moisture I was talking about. Make sure you will reduce all of it. Milk will help to remove the stickiness which has come because of adding sugar, and of course, it will enrich the flavor as well. The super simple, mouth-melting Gajar Ka Halwa is done. Now it's the time to plate it up.